Good evening. My name is Christopher Robinson, and this is my review of Social Work 300 in spring of 2018. Overall, I feel that this class uh, is necessary. There are a lot of components in this course that can be beneficial to students, especially those students who plan on pursuing a research-heavy career. As stated several times throughout the semester, many students could take advantage of working for government agencies and compiling data, running the numbers. This could also be used in politics. So it could be a very useful skill to learn. As far as the course itself, I personally felt that a lot of the assignments were repetitive. Um, I also do not feel that the discussion boards were necessary. Reading the book and paying attention to lectures is the only way that a student would be able to complete the assignments. Forcing students to write their review of the videos is redundant in my opinion. A lot of times, students also, we found ourselves with assignments due, well, 3 or 4 assignments due on nearly every day of the week. I feel like this is a heavy workload for students, especially coupled with the other assignments, for other classes that we may have. Personally, I feel as though the course could be condensed into several major assignments that you work on, week by week, versus numerous smaller assignments. Uh, the quizzes and exams were fair. Um, the assignments were doable. Uh, the professor, a lot of times, if we had assignments due over the weekends, she would not she would not want to answer emails, which is understandable. People have lives. However, this makes it a bit challenging for students trying to get questions answered and complete assignments in a timely manner when they are not able to ask the professor directly, for assistance. I personally do not think that the course was necessarily bad. I may find find myself one day in need of using these skills, which would then prove useful. But the only reason I took this class was because it was required. But I do feel like I learned a lot. So thank you.